it's Aubrey with Northwest Registered Agent, and I'm here with Cameron today. Thanks for being here, Cameron.
Yeah, thank you for having me.
Today we're going to talk about changing your business name in Delaware. We'll talk about what steps you need to take to make this process run smoothly. So Cameron, the other day I received a question from a client asking how to change the name of their Delaware business. How to explain that to them?
Yeah, that's a great question. So I can absolutely go through those steps. There's going to be a couple of preliminary things they're going to want to get out of the way first. So first thing they're going to want to do is make sure the name is available. So they'll want to go to the Delaware Division of Corporations website and search the name there. From there, they can also reserve the name if they deem it necessary. However, it's not required to reserve the name. From there, they'll want to make sure their organization's on board with that name that they picked. So a corporation might hold a board meeting and have a vote on that name, whereas an LLC might have a meeting of their members and agree upon that name and then adopt a resolution. From there, then, the final kind of step in this part would be to make sure you're up to date with the Delaware Division of Corporations. So make sure that you are up to date on your taxes, all the taxes have been filed, and that your annual reports have been filed. That way you can actually make those changes that you want to make.
So once they've completed these initial steps, what should they do next?
Yeah, so the first thing they're going to want to do is make sure they have the correct form for their entity type. We have included templates for LLCs and corporations in the description. From there, once they know they have the correct form, then they'll want to actually go ahead and file that certificate of amendment with the Delaware Division of Corporations.
Awesome. And how much is this all going to cost?
Yeah, so filing fees can range anywhere from $100 to $500 plus, depending on what entity type you have and how fast they want it filed.
Is there anything else they'll need to do?
So once the amendment is completed, they'll want to update the IRS with that new name. That will be with Form 8822B, which is linked in the description as well. From there, once that is completed, then you'll go ahead and update your internal records, like your operating agreement or your bylaws, that a change has been made.
Okay, great. Thanks, Cameron. So today we learned that if you want to change your business name in Delaware, you should first check the Delaware Division of Corporations website to make sure it's still available. We also learned that you'll need to get the new name approved within your organization. You'll also need to be up to date with any taxes or annual reports. Ultimately, to make the change, you'll need to file a Delaware Certificate of Amendment with the Delaware Division of Corporations. The form you use and the fee you pay will be based upon your entity type. Well, thanks for being here today, Cameron.
Yeah, thank you for having me.
If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. Lost? We've been there. Let us show you the way. If you found this video helpful, give it a like. We picked out 2 other videos you might find useful. You need tools to build something big. Subscribe now.